In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Phemex. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your account, and then from your dashboard you want to select what exactly you want to trade. So up top you have things like futures, you have spot and things like that. So you can simply go and select what you want to trade. I'm actually going to go with spot right now, and I'm just simply going to click on spot trading. Now in here, what you want to first do before you start trading, of course, is to select which cryptocurrency you want to trade. So over here, top left, click on the specific one which is open right now, and then you want to go and find the one you want. So I'm just going to move this so we can see better. There we go. And then you can just click on the one you want to trade. For this instance, let's actually go with Solana USDT. I'm just going to click on it, and there we go. It's going to populate the chart. Now to actually trade this, trading means buying and selling. It's super simple. You have two options. You can go to the right here, top right, where you can see buy and sell. You can select if you want to buy or sell. And then after you do this, you want to select if you want to do a limit order, a market order. You also have conditional and then basket orders as well. I'm going to do a market order right now, but if you want something like limit, it's going to allow you to set a limit price when the order is going to get triggered. So I'm going to go market right now. You want to type in the amount. I don't have any funds on my account right now. That's why, of course, I can't actually type it in, so it's not going to work. But if I did, I could just type in, for example, 100 USDT. It's going to show me how much Solana I'll get in my case, and you can then just click on the buy button over here, and that's all you have to do. If you are selling, the same way is going to apply. You can just go and select how much you want to sell. You'll see how much you're going to get, and then whenever you do this, you can just hit the sell button and get your USDT back. Now, if you have any other ways, so if you go conditional, this is going to allow you to type in like trigger price and then price as well and stuff like that. Or you could do a basket order where over here, as you can see, we have a bit more options as well. So on the limit order, you also have the option to set the limit, as I said, and that's the first way to trade. The second one is going to be over here on the chart, so you can see this market buy or market sell. You could just go and type in your amount you want to purchase and then click on any of these two buttons, or you could also do percentages over here. And that way you can also quickly buy and sell or trade directly from your chart. That's how to trade on Phemex. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.